Hello guys, I hope you all are fine, and in this video I am going to tell you how to download and activate Bandicam for free. So please watch this video till end. So guys, first of all we should open any browser, Chrome, Internet Explorer or any other. After that you should copy the link from the description of the website to download Bandicam. So we copied it, and now you should paste into the browser which you open. Now we are pasting it, and now click on the enter. As you can see, it is open, and now you should click on download Bandicam. So now there is a link in the taskbar. Click on it and click on open when done. So friends, minimize all the things which is open. Now it will ask you to select the language. I selected English. Then you should click on next. Then I agree. Now once again next. Okay, then click on install. So now it is installing. So guys, as you can see, it is installed, so click on finish. And now as you can see, Bandicam is installed, so open it. So it is opening. So now there is a new browser. It will tell you that Bandicam is installed successfully, so close it, nothing happens. So as you can see, there is a lock and it is written unregistered. It means that Bandicam is not registered. So now we will register it. Okay, so please guys, watch this video till end. From here we will activate it. So first of all, you should copy the link which is in the description, link of Bandicam Pro. You should copy it and paste it to the browser. Okay, now we should paste it. Now you should download it. So we are downloading it. Now it is downloading. Okay friends, now you should open it and then minimize all the files except this. Now you should close it and go to quick access. Now write on the search Bandicam Pro. So you should write it Bandicam Pro and take it to the desktop. So yes, we transfer it to the desktop. Now you should right click on it and click on extract here. Now you should paste the password from the description. You should copy the password from the description. I copied it, and now we are going to paste it, and now click on OK. So guys, as you can see, Bandicam key is there. Now you should right click on Bandicam and click on open file location. Now you should transfer Bandicam key to Bandicam folder. So now it is transferred. Now you should right click on it and click on run as administrator. So as you can see, it wants email, so you can copy the email from the description. So this email will be in description and you can paste it here and then click on register. As you can see, Bandicam registered successfully. So now when you will open Bandicam, you can see that Bandicam is registered. So friends, as you can see, there is not a log and nothing is written, and as you can see, it is registered. So guys, thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. And if you want any other video, comment me down. So till then, bye.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.